Alright, so what I'm going for here is mostly black with some gold and red accents. So we'll have to see how this goes. I've never tried to do something with this much black before. So I'm just going to drop a couple drops of silicone in the colors. Give that a small mix. And then let's go. We'll give that a couple minutes and then come back and pull it off. Let's go ahead and hit it with some heat real quick. We'll have to see how much more of that metallic comes through. Otherwise, this might be just too much black.